Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.
Let's go over that instrumental real quick. So the line is the same line that we do in the intro, so we already knew that one. Right? The chords are a little bit different. So in our left hand, we're playing C minor, or F minor. Then we're playing C minor, E flat major, and then B flat major. This is the last chorus. We're going big on this one. Chords are the same. A flat, C minor, B flat, E flat over G, to C minor, B flat, A flat. And this time we're doing right, so I'll go over that line slowly. So we start out with C, E flat, D. Over the E flat over G, we're doing F, E flat, G, C, and we stay at C. And then we just repeat it. On the 4 when it ends. Okay, so that was Worthy by Elevation on Aux. We pray that this video is a big blessing, that you were able to learn something today, and make sure to watch more UPCI music videos. Have a blessed one, everyone.